Hey guys, Bedaki Play here. Today I just got the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. I've been waiting for so long, like since it was announced to actually get it, and I think today is like the first day anyone can get it. So let me just prop my phone up on this thing here and do the unboxing. Okay. So a little backstory. I used to have an old Kraken. Damn, holy shit, that looks sexy by the way. Anyways, I used to have like a one of those old like normal Krakens, and it broke. I still have like the cord right over here, and I was substituting with my Beats, but I didn't want to like wear and tear my Beats out, so I might as well take this plug out. Say goodbye to the Beats cord. And say hello to this. Oh my god, this is it feels nice as fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna start up my computer. See how the thing sounds. Let me take out this thing. So this is what the whole hype was about, is the THX mode. And let me fucking focus. The THX mode, just click this button right here on the side, and then you know you got your normal other commands on here. And actually, okay, well, that's new. I guess I'm gonna have to go through, plug this in to my computer, just like go all the way fucking around. If it wants to, this thing never wants to focus. So, anyways, I'll be right back. I'll get this whole thing set up, and I'll tell you how it feels. Okay, so now that I got everything all plugged in, I put the console thing right here because it like to move around a lot, and I don't want to use the sticky thing on the back, which I forgot to mention. Right in the back, there's like a sticky thing, and I don't want to take off the wrapper because this desk is like temporary and really fucking dirty. But anyways, so the first two things that I noticed is the noise cancellation. It's a lot better than my Beats, and that's like off. Like I went back to check on this, and I can hear the fan from my computer running with these on, but not with these on. And so the other thing that I noticed is how big they are and how big it is on my head. So the whole problem with that is I notice how easy it is for this thing to move around. Even if it's like the smallest movements, it's like it still like moves around a little, and it's kind of off-putting. But I mean, I guess I could just deal with it. And so the third thing is when I started up my computer, this thing popped up. So I'm just gonna click through this. Another thing I noticed is when I went back to Surround Sound Pro, I can't really click on it. It says unsupported device, and it's just acting weird. So I guess that's what these downloads are for. A whole fucking minute though. Alright, so now that everything's installed, there's like, it's very weird, but it works. It's like, it's hard to explain. You'd have to like get it yourself or test it yourself. But so I'm on Google Chrome listening to Juice World, Lucid Dreams, you know, because I'm sad and shit. And you can toggle whether you want stereo or surround. The only thing I'm kind of freaking out about, it's the actual THX mode. And when you turn it off, you can tell that it's like still surround, but when you turn it back on, like kind of imagine Dolby headphones, like the what's it called, like an auditorium sound. It's hard to, you know, it's hard to explain, but overall, aside from the actual build quality, it's pretty impressive. Okay, so I'm playing a game right now, Fortnite, obviously, but the surround sound is kind of weird. When I turn THX mode off, You know, it sounds like normal surround sound. But when I turn it on, I can tell that it's like working the way it's supposed to, but I guess I'm just not used to it. And actually, wait, I think there's someone in here. Anyways, that's the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition for you. I would give it a 3 out of 10 for build quality, and maybe a 8, 7 for you know, the experience, what it's actually built to do. And that's mainly because, I mean, I guess because of how weird it is, the THX mode, but I guess I'll get used to it and maybe bump up that score. But anyways, thanks for watching, and peace.